Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and doing well. So guys, I am back with another beautiful ideas about Merry Christmas decoration. Christmas decoration is a most essential part for every festival. Decoration is so outstanding, so beautiful, creative designs, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And in this collection, you see the centerpieces in a ring style, ring shape, round shape, Christmas decoration ideas. Uh, Hope you like this video and the most trendiest designs, most viral video, and everyone searching the best Christmas decoration video. So you are on the right place. Christmas is a beautiful event and everyone waiting for the best Christmas decoration ideas. Hope you like the video, give your remarks, and see the previous videos that are the most attractive ideas that are uploaded on my YouTube channel. And I hope you love this video. I hope you like my videos because I this collection is very useful for you. In this collection you see 100 plus new unique ideas. 100 plus it's mean the 100 designs of ring shape and centerpieces designs. Your center table looks so amazing, looks so attractive. Hope you love the video, hope you like my video. Most trendiest videos are uploaded on my YouTube channel, so guys, don't miss the chance. All colors, all shades are so attractive. Most of the time we searching the best Christmas designs and we have no idea which colors and the shades are most attractive. So my YouTube channel provides you the variety of designs, the variety of colors, the variety of shades that change your Christmas decoration ideas. So every color, every shade are available on my YouTube channel. So visit the channel, like the channel, share YouTube my videos, most trendiest ideas, most creative ideas. So like the video, share my video with your family and friends. In this video you see approximately new designs, all colors, all shades. So like the video, share the video with your family and friends, and don't skip the video.